Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful DAX functions in Power BI, Calculate. Let's break it down. What is Calculate function? The Calculate function allows you to modify, filter context, and perform advanced calculations. It's the backbone of dynamic measures in Power BI. Now let's explore the key features of Calculate function. 1. Changes filter context for precise calculations. 2. Works with functions like filter, all, and values. 3. Essential for time intelligence and custom measures. Common use cases. 1. Applying specific filters. Calculate sum sales amount. Sales region equals West. This formula calculates the total sales amount only for the West region. 2. Overriding filters. Calculate sum sales amount. All sales region. This ignores any filters applied on the region column. 3. Time intelligence. Calculate sum sales amount. Date-cited calendar date. This computes year-to-date, YTD, sales dynamically. Finally, mastering Calculate unlocks advanced data modeling and enhances Power BI reporting. It's a must-know for anyone serious about DAX. Subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. Don't forget to like this video